again, we finished with installation of that 10-inch Android navigation in that BMW first series F21. We cut the dashboard and install the Android. Fits almost perfect. Looks like a original. We also installed the HD parking camera with wide angle. I'll show you how it looks. It fits perfect like an original camera. You can watch videos while driving, but be careful. This model is with really nice screen. Maybe it's HD, we can check it. System. Applications. Settings. It's with 128 gigabytes internal storage. It's with 8 gigabytes RAM. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SM6115 octa-core, 2 GHz Cortex A73. Oh, that's so nice. Android version is 13. Such a good navigation. Okay, that's it from us. If you need upgrades for your car, you can contact us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, that is helping us. If you have any questions, write a comment, I will answer. See you again in next video.